Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at the error code 722 on your KitchenAid dishwasher from the 2025 models, don't worry. We're diving straight into what it means and how to fix it. This code typically signals an issue with the dishwasher's motor or its control system, which can be frustrating but is often fixable with some simple steps. Let's break it down. First, understand that error code 722 often points to problems like a faulty motor, overheating, or blockages in the system. It might show up if there's a clog in the filter or drain, preventing proper water flow and causing the motor to strain. Or, it could be related to electrical issues, like a loose connection or low water pressure. Now, let's get hands-on with troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your dishwasher from the power source and waiting about 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and is a great first step. Once it's reset, check the filter. That's usually at the bottom of the unit. Remove it, rinse it under running water to clear any food debris, and make sure it's dry before putting it back. Don't forget to inspect the drain hose for any kinks or blockages too. If that doesn't do the trick, examine the water inlet valve. Ensure it's not obstructed and that your home's water pressure is adequate. Sometimes, a quick adjustment here can resolve the error. If you've tried these steps and the code persists, it might be time to call in a professional technician, as it could involve deeper electrical or mechanical problems. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never work on an appliance that's plugged in. To keep this from happening again, make it a habit to clean your dishwasher monthly and avoid overloading it with dishes. There you have it. You're now equipped to tackle error code 722 like a pro. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.